You didn't know volcanoes are like giant soda bottles ready to pop. Let's find out why. First, imagine your favorite fizzy drink. When you shake it up, the pressure builds, right? Pop the cap and whoosh, fizz everywhere. Volcanoes work kind of the same way. Deep inside the earth, there's super hot melted rock called magma. When it heats up, it creates a lot of pressure. Just like your soda bottle. When the pressure gets too high, boom! It erupts, and magma shoots out, turning into lava. Cool, huh? Next time you see a volcano, remember it's like Earth's way of shaking up and popping a soda bottle. Pretty awesome, right? If you thought this was cool, hit that like button, subscribe, and tell us your favorite volcano fact in the comments. See you next time.